Captain Garvin's here. I encourage you all to tune in to the Jay Garvin Show this weekend on KRDO, or simply download the podcast off of iTunes. And what I'm sharing with you is when I was on active duty, I thought the biggest benefit that I had was flying a helicopter. Well, then when I retired, I was sure that my biggest benefit was my health care insurance. But what I've come to realize is the biggest benefit is that forgotten benefit of my VA eligibility to buy a home. See, that eligibility is what I'm going to talk about this weekend. So for all of you who are serving on active duty, you have served, or you know someone, tune in. This is going to be a great show showing you exactly how you can use your VA eligibility to the fullest extent. Captain Garvin's out.